When your AC goes out, the last thing you want to worry about is who to call. You need someone prompt, professional, and with trustworthy solutions. At American Air and Heat, quality is our specialty, and it has been since 1986. It's who we are, and it's what we do. Whether you need preventative maintenance, system diagnosis, or a new replacement system, our team knows the drill, and so does our family of customer service specialists. Our team is dedicated to providing the same level of service that we would want in return. That's why every day, every call is backed by our Golden Rule guarantee. As Central Floridians ourselves, we know the importance of a properly functioning AC unit. That's why we created our Home Comfort Club to ensure complete peace of mind. A lot's changed over the years, but our mission has not. To be a value-driven business, providing each client with prompt, professional, and trustworthy information, while ensuring the best decisions for their home, family, and comfort. So call or visit today and find yourself some American cold air at AmericanAirandHeat.com.